This video is being sponsored by fcjmpostmes. I will tell you more about their product later in this video. So for making this knife, I need to stabilize the wood, which means that I impregnate the wood with a resin to make it more durable against water and less likely to shrink or expand, so it won't come off the knife anytime soon. I used to use quite regular stabilizing resin until I came across fcjmpostmes, and they are the sponsor of this video. They make a great product. They're specialized in epoxies, resin, and the gear you need to use these products in a proper way, such as vacuum chambers, vacuum pumps. So what really drawn my attention was their eco resin, their SK resin. Their SK resin is manufactured with over 30% of carbon dioxide savings and is absolutely REACH compliant and solvent free. When working with this resin, you can really smell that it is solvent free. It doesn't have this distinct resin smell other resins do have. The materials used in this resin are obtained from renewable plants. And in the end, the environmental impact in terms of energy and carbon dioxide can be assessed as a green product. So I'm absolutely thrilled using their product, and that's why I let them be the sponsor of this video. It's not just a company reaching out to me saying, hey, I want to be a sponsor of your video. this is really a company which is completely in line with my philosophy on making things. And I think it's great that a company like this focuses on making a sustainable product for an affordable price. So the price of this resin is really similar to prices of other resins out there. If you're interested in their product, please check out hartspecialisten.de. Thanks for sponsoring the video, and let's get back into making this knife and using the stabilized wood with their resin to finish the knife. Thank you for watching this video, and a huge thank you to hartspecialisten.de for sponsoring the video. See you next time.